Okay, hotspot number 3, part 2. Okay, so we were down here and we were talking about how the war ended in a ceasefire. So that means that the fighting stops. There was no clear winner. We had lost some 58,000 lives. You can see there at the bottom. And this was a conflict where Americans were divided over our participation and whether or not we should be there. And so the United States makes the decision to withdraw from the war. So the fighting stops. There is really no winner. And that gives the People's Army of Vietnam, which is the North Vietnamese, an opportunity to invade the South. And you can see that the capital of South Vietnam was Saigon, and it does fall to communism in 1975. So today we do not have a divided Vietnam like we do a divided Korea. So Korea is still divided today. Vietnam is not. It is one country. And you can see there the cost of the war. I believe that's $1 trillion. Right? Million, billion, trillion. Wow. It was very expensive conflict. Of course, it took place over a long period of time, too. So if you go to the next slide, you're going to be answering questions. We will watch some clips together. If you are at home, you can watch these on your own. Your knowledge connection says answer the following questions after you've watched the video on the left side. You may refer to the video and slide 17 as needed when answering the questions. So they include, how did the Vietnam War start? Why was the Vietnam War so unpopular in the United States? So the hint for you is to think about hawks versus doves. A hawk has talons and sharp claws, and it is a predator and will seek out its food and hunt. So those were the people that supported the war in the United States. And if you were a non-war supporter and promoted peace, then you were a dove, and we know that a dove is a symbol of peace. Number 3 says, what was the Domino Theory? Number 4, as mentioned by the Domino Theory, why couldn't America let Ho Chi Minh take over Vietnam? Ho Chi Minh was the North Vietnamese leader. Number 5, North Vietnam was communist or non-communist. South Vietnam was communist or non-communist, and you'll just highlight your answer there. And number 6 says, what term describes how the war ended? And you have 2-word answer with the beginning letter of each answer there, which should give it away. Okay. You will also need to take your Cold War conflicts maps, A, B, C, and D, and I believe you'll be color coding your final map today of Vietnam. Okay. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks a lot.